Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from you was said. Most of you might have read the news about the divorce celebration, how girls' parents celebrated the divorce with all the band baja and all distributing sweets and all. You are knowing the girl Pranita. She was married in the year 2018 and just 2 days back she was divorced, and when the divorce was announced, she was brought back home with all the celebration and all. Now, tell me, divorce, is it a thing to celebrate? No doubt I agree that divorce is no more a stigma. If they can't manage, if they can't adjust, they should get separated. I do agree. But is it a thing to celebrate? I think we should not spread negativity. Good things should be, admired, whereas the negative things should not be given more things, or we should not spread such things that it is good to get divorced. Then people who they watch, they feel that it is better not to marry at all. Here, because of the absence of understanding, or who is wrong, who is right, it is different. Because I did some research as well. I even heard to the boys' parents speaking about this, because the boy, that is the husband, he is under depression now, so he has not spoken anything. The parents spoke. They told so many things, whatever it is. But I found that they were very sad. And one thing what they told, that is, even they are having a grandson. And what the boy's father was telling, that is their daughter-in-law's younger brother, I don't know, younger, elder brother died. That is why they were thinking that Pranav, that is their grandson, has, he has come, what I can say, as a son to the family, and that is why they want him back. And that is why the girl's parents took away their daughter-in-law and grandson. That is what means. The story can be on both the sides. I am not going to find out who is right, or because when they don't adjust, each party will go on blaming the other. It happens anywhere. But what I feel, that we should not celebrate such things. No doubt, if possible, before getting married, find out whether you are able to adjust. If it is good, then only get married. Otherwise, don't get married. And even suppose you got married, afterwards you were not able to adjust, and then you got the divorce or you got separated. Okay, it is, but I feel that it is a sad thing. It is not a happy thing to celebrate. And in a country like India, where we are having so many things, or marriage is considered as a sacred thing in our country. It is not like in other countries how it is. It is a different thing in India. That is why I feel that a divorce should not be magnified. No, this type of magnificence should not be given to divorce. I feel yet it is a sad thing. Let us, it is for a boy or a girl. It is a sad thing. It is not a occasion to enjoy. I agree that stigma has come out, and if the girl is having really the problem, she should be supported from her parents, from the society, everyone. I am of that opinion. And at the same time, because nowadays we see in the society, they get divorced and in return they take a lot of money, jewelry, and what I can say, vehicles, car, this and that. No, it is not a thing to celebrate. In the same way, I had seen a video from Karnataka where the boy was also celebrating his divorce by cutting the cake. His mother was giving him bath with milk, what is called as abhishek in India. And afterwards he had bath and he wore new clothes, and usually we are knowing we cut the cake for any happy occasion, let it be birthday, anniversary, whatever. And when we saw the cake, it was written there, happy divorce. In this way, the divorce was, and on the contrary, it was written there, whatever as alimony he had given, whatever the gold or so many lakhs of rupees, car, whatever, it was written on the cake. Now tell me, is it a time to celebrate? Let it be for a boy or a girl. I am not for any. See, I am against dowry, I am against alimony as well. No one should give dowry, at the same time no one should get alimony. Each one should work, let it be girl or a boy, each one should earn, and even girls should be given good education. She should be on her own, in the sense she should earn on her own, let it be job or any skill, any private setup, whatever. Even here, in one of the places, the same Meerut girl, that is Pranita, she is telling to all the girls, even before getting married, you should learn to stand on your own feet. That is very, very important. So, though the people are liking the divorce celebration, and at least I feel that it is not a thing to be celebrated. No one should celebrate it, because what we learn in our community, what we learn, why we get married, and it should make us happy. Okay, you can't just get separated, doesn't matter, but it is definitely 100% not a time of celebration. What you feel about this? Let me know. Have a good day.